Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we have to see in this particular drawing of this particular object. So as you can see, right now I am zooming it. So for creating such kind of component, first we have to draw these two circle of 30 diameter and 40 diameter at a distance of 65 mm. So here I am going to new design. From here I will select this create sketch. Now select this bottom plane. Now I am creating two circle of 30 diameter and one more circle of 40 diameter. Now from here I am selecting this line command and selecting this construction and create a line at a distance of 65 mm. Now the next I will select again this circle command, create a circle of 30 mm. Now I am creating one more circle of 40 mm, like that. So we have created these two circles. Now the next is we have to draw this particular arc. So okay, let's take a dimension of this arc from here and choose this one, and it is an arc of 196 diameter. So simply just we are creating a circle of, before that we are creating a circle of this is of 60 diameter. So right now I am creating this circle of 60 and the distance between this point and the center of this circle is, from here we can see it is 45 and the distance between the center of this circle and this circle is 100 So just come here and select this dimension, select this point and this point, and it is 45, and similarly this distance and this distance is 100. Okay, now create a circle of a random circle of 196 dia, press enter. After that select this tangent and select this one and tangent to this particular circle. Similarly select this one and tangent to this one. So as you can see we have created this arc. Now from here we'll select this trim command and trim this one. Okay. Now the next what we have to do is we have to create this arc of 40 diameter, and then we will create this line. So just come here on this particular new design, and from here we'll create a 40 diameter circle. Select this tangent command, select this one and this one. Similarly select this one and this one. Now select this trim command and trim this one. Okay. Now the next is select this line command. Now I'm creating this line, escape it. Now tangent this particular one to this one and this to this, and press escape. Now select this trim command and trim this one. So as you can see, we have created this almost the same drawing what we have seen in this particular one. Now we have to create a circle, pitch circle of 38 diameter. So just select this one, select this, and create a pitch circle of 38 So for that, this is select this center. Okay, construction line. Okay. Now the next is we'll create these two lines. This is at a 90 degree. Okay. Now escape it, and from here we'll select this circle and we'll create a circle of 12 diameter. So simply select this circle command, and from here choose this one and create a 12 diameter circle, press enter. Now select this circular pattern command and select this object and select the center point of the circle and enter for a quantity and press OK. Now finish the sketch. After finishing this sketch, go to home position, select this extrude command, select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and extrude it first up to 30 Again select this extrude command, and from here visualize this sketch and select this one, this one, and this one, and extrude it up to 40 and press here join and press OK. Now the next is we will provide the appearance to this particular object. And from here we will select and close it. So as you can see, we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular practice exercise. So this is the way how can we can create various kinds of object components with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.